Greetings. This is ENSNews1 with the Weekender for the weekend of July 4th, 2020. I'm Michelle CrawfordSapentrr, the General Manager for ENSNews1 Enlight News Source. This weekend, we have information about 3 separate items that all connect to what we believe to be COVID-19. We're discussing California, Texas, and Florida, and the immediate increase and surge in the number of cases since phase 1 and phase 2 of the reopening of the economy. We're also discussing the testing that has transpired since the reopening has taken place, and new technology that performs temperatures for individuals who are being checked for COVID-19. This weekend, we also have just a bit of information from Dr. Anthony Fauci. Dr. Fauci is one of the head task force members for the White House, who is an infectious disease expert that is working with the coronavirus task force at this time. Dr. Fauci has indicated that the United States can anticipate a surge in cases of at least 100,000 per day. That's 100,000 new infections of the coronavirus on a day-to-day basis. We also know that here in the United States, testing has increased. There's testing that's being taken place or taking shape across the nation, and the testing has increased to 500,000, minimum 500,000 per day throughout the nation. So that's a major increase in testing. So while in the United States, testing for the coronavirus has reached 500,000 per day, experts have indicated that if you have no symptoms, then you should stay at home as much as possible, follow the mitigation guidelines, and above all, wear a mask. If, on the other hand, you have symptoms, you may have encountered or been exposed to radioactivity. It seems that the symptoms between corresponding, that is, between radioactivity exposure and coronavirus are extremely similar, that is. And so what we have uncovered in recent studies, we have discovered that, or rather the medical experts have discovered that aerosol emissions of fluids are being sprayed or spewed out of the mouth whenever we talk. And that because of these spewings, the potential for contracting coronavirus has increased. Particles that are being emitted into the atmosphere are more possible for reaching other individuals, whether they have coronavirus or not. So the experts have emphasized wearing a mask while in public, and wearing the mask is probably and possibly the greatest protection that anyone can have to prevent contracting coronavirus. So the mysterious spread of COVID-19 gives clear confirmation for wearing the mask at all times while in public. Also, new discoveries in science have uncovered the technology that functions by way of an infrared or radioactive wave. That radioactive waves are contained in the most recent development in temperature reading technology. The non-contact radiation activated thermometer is the device that's being used. Now, this device emanating from China is being used across the United States for checking for temperatures. According to information that is gathered from several sources, ENSNews found that data indicates that radiation is a direct cause for what we know to be several different ailments. One of those ailments is pneumonitis. Pneumonitis is an inflammation of the air sacs in the lungs. And pneumonitis occurs when radiation is applied to the lungs. Reports from health experts also indicate that persons exposed to 50 grams or 50 gray of radiation will suffer pulmonary insufficiency. So what that means is the results of the combination of pneumonitis and pulmonary insufficiency, which cause inflammation in the pericardium, that's in the heart region, also causes pericarditis, or the fluid buildup around the heart